Today looks like it's gonna be another vlog. I'm very excited for this one because I got a brand new camera. I don't know, I feel like when I get new things, I get so much more motivated to put out content and do some cool things for you. But I got the G7X and I need a new camera because my camera was very, very weird and would just turn on randomly and drain its battery. I gave myself like an excuse not to bring it, so now like I have no excuses. I'm going to hopefully pull my camera out more. So I bought it today. I am leaving to go to Todd's after I pack my bag up, and we are going to Vegas tomorrow with some of our friends, which is going to be super, super fun for 4th of July. I think it's such a weird place to celebrate the 4th of July, but that's where we're going. I know this is so weird, but I'm so freaking excited to have this camera. Oh, I wanted to say this. I was just streaming on Twitch and I had 500 people watching me, which I think is so insane. I know that doesn't sound a lot compared to like how many views I see on YouTube every day, but it is so, it's a lot to me, and it means a lot because it's like a new platform and I'm enjoying myself over there. So if you guys want to come watch me play video games and hang out and all that fun, weird stuff, feel free to do that. We'll leave the link to my Twitch in the description where I go live and talk to you guys. It's kind of like you now, but I'm playing video games and I'm sucking, and sometimes I'm good, but mostly sucking. So here's the packing situation. It's not going very well. I don't know what to pack exactly, but I'm just not gonna pack a lot of clothes and a couple bathing suits and call it a day. I'm only gonna be there for a day, so I can't really F it up that bad. Yeah, I really can't F it up. I just gotta bring underwear, a charger, and my camera, and we're good, right? I don't know. I am leaving my house right now to go over to Todd's, and I'm feeling like I'm forgetting a lot of things. I also am out of focus. See you when I get to Todd's. Car keys might be important. If you guys saw my car video, you know this already. But if you're new to my channel, or you're not familiar with a Porsche, it has a front trunk. I never, ever, ever get sick of this car. Like, I could get in this car a million times and I would never, ever be sick of it. Unless somebody showed me a Lamborghini or Ferrari, of course. We go top down. I feel like we should go top down. I got a new camera. Oh, sorry. Todd's on the phone right now, so I'm gonna take the quickest shower you guys have ever seen. And boom, we're done. I know you think it was like cut up and stuff, but really that was all the footage that was there. So take it or leave it. I'm gonna brush my teeth and stop tripping all over the place. Should I title this nighttime routine?
I'm on the phone, I can't talk.
No, you were on the phone earlier, you're not on the phone now. I'm gonna tell you the trick to clear skin, or my skin. It's either Vanity Planet Skin Spa that I've talked about a million times, or these Neutrogena wipes. And I know it sounds bad, but when I'm not using that, I'm just using this.
Gosh.
It looks weirdly bright in here right now, but I just got into bed and I'm going to have to wake up really early tomorrow. I wake up at like 10 every day and I have to wake up at like 8 tomorrow, and we're getting on a jet to Vegas. I'll see you tomorrow morning, I guess. Good night, guys. Good morning. I just woke up. I gotta leave in like 10 minutes to go to our flight, but we got a private jet. It's not a private jet. It's like a jet suite. Whatever the fuck that means. I was half asleep when I first started this. What? You hate this? What? Yeah. It's your turn. I made it yesterday. We're on our way to Vegas, and Todd is not happy. Are you happy? Mm-hmm. Are you excited? Should we do that thing that Casey Neistat does where he like reviews first class flight?
Oh, sorry.
Fun fact, Scott, I've never been in this car.
Really?
Yeah, and you don't even own it anymore. Did you know I've never been in this car?
No, I didn't know that.
That's the loser side, and this is the winner side. No, I don't want a picture, Scott.
Dude, we're siblings. I want to take a sibling pic.
Scott,
I look bad. We're at breakfast right now, and I just told a story, and after I told the story, Todd said, we're all now dumber after hearing that story. And I didn't know it was a movie reference, but I'm still kind of mad. I have spent most of the day editing this guy's photos on Instagram, and Zane's photos, and Zane, I don't think I edit Scott's, but go check them out on Instagram. I made their butts look really big. That's me making Zane's butt look ginormous. You're gonna party all night and all day. Look at the lighting, isn't it beautiful? Right here, just like a little bit. I promise I will not mess it up. Okay. You guys mind not talking for a second, I'm waxing. It's okay. Okay, it's just a little bit. What? Ready?
Ow.
Oh my god, it looks so good. I literally just did a little bit. You're gonna look so handsome. I promise. This will be the best thing you've ever done. You'll get so many ladies. Ready?
Sexy.
Then I'm just gonna do just a tiny right there and a tiny right there and then done. Ready? Ready? Oh, I went the wrong way.
What do you mean you went the wrong way?
Can't afford his kid. Just can't afford the new kid.
Ow, fuck. I like a scab there.
Gonna get married, we can call it.
Can I do one more?
Where?
Just to go a little lower on the side, cause look at this side, it has less hair.
Why didn't you do that in the first place?
Cause I didn't want to overgo. I was being cautious. I'm gonna say no, but can I do one last thing?
What?
Do just a little underneath.
No.
I think going down would be the better way, right?
Gonna get married, they're gonna vlog it.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, ooh, I got it on you. Oh.
I just got back from the hair salon. Jake, who I will leave in the description, just did my hair. He cut it, and tomorrow I'm going in to get it blonde. It looks a little bit blonde on camera right now, but it's not. It's still green. It's about 10 a.m. and I was up till 3 a.m. last night. We went to Matt's party. Happy birthday, Matt. Matt Espinosa just turned 21, and I've known him since he was like 16 or 17 years old, which is crazy in my mind. I'm on my way to my hair appointment. My hair looks like super dark when it's up in a ponytail, but it's going to be blonde. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I took my fake eyelashes off and these are my real ones, and I'm freaking out a little bit because it's been a long time since I've had my eyelashes off. I'm gonna go back and get them redone on Tuesday, but yeah, I feel weird. Right now, LA is having a huge heat wave, and when I say that it's a fucking heat wave, like I mean it. Well, I mean obviously because they say it on the news, but it's literally, when you walk outside, it feels like you're in a blow dryer on the hot setting. It's so bad, and it just like makes me worry about like anybody outside, and like old people and like people without AC and like homeless people who are out there. It's so fucking scary how hot it is. Like I've never felt heat like this, even in Nevada. Like it's hot. I look crazy right now. It's weird seeing myself without like lash extensions. Spoiled every square inch, and I'm really, really excited to be blonde again. Oh my god. Look, we're vlogging. Jake wants me to vlog with him. This is cut by Jake and color by Drea. It looks freaking sick.
We're at Bomane Salon. Vlogging so cool.
Dude, it looks so crazy.
No, seriously.
I can't believe that the color's out.
Blonde, you're blonde again.
Drake. I keep calling you Drake. I said that to Drea. Jake is literally the best at styling hair. We're doing pictures right now of my hair. Holy shit, it's blonde.
Do that again.
Oh wait. They literally killed my hair in the best possible way.